Are you ready? Everybody's in shot. We
I'm
are
here.
level.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Merry Vlogmas! I didn't want a tongue in my mouth. Yes.
Oh,
Ew.
we know where you be.
Yeah. And watch what you do with that tongue. We're day 15, aren't we? Or
Yes.
are we day 16?
I think we're 16. That was
15.
15.
Oh yeah, 16. 16's up in the corner here.
Kai, let's hope it's not those black things.
Well, one of those sets he liked, but one of them he didn't.
Yeah.
He's just licking the available doors just in case.
Oh, bloody hell.
Oh, I don't think he liked those ones last time. Oh, but it's a good job we're doing 2 days today.
Oh, lucky boy. Huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
He doesn't want it. He's fully aware that he doesn't want it.
There we are, give them to me.
Oh, poor puppy. Oh, sad time. There it is. If you could hold that for me, Mum. Thank you.
We'll have to try another one next year, won't we? That's 3 you don't like.
Maybe that's not bad. Oh, hazelnut praline, yay.
Whoa.
I like hazelnut
Is that
praline.
nice?
Yes. Ferrero Rocher-esque.
Oh.
I remembered everything today. My glasses, my memory card, my
I'll
camera,
let you in.
my
Yeah,
phone.
Because I haven't remembered my glasses.
Oh, am I reading it again?
Yes.
Oh dear.
Do you want to come down? Or
Okay.
are you all right up there?
Carefully tear out the calendar sheet before reading.
Yes.
The one time that we're actually going to get that done. It's the betting that Klaus is going to be asleep or eating.
Asleep.
Okay, finally you're back in the spaceship with Klaus. You have left the planet and are making good progress. Suddenly a rabbit's sleigh appears in front of you. Klaus follows closely. The rabbit looks back over his shoulder, sees you and increases the pace. Then he takes a sharp left turn. What's happening, you yell in shock. The racetrack continues straight ahead, not to the left,
Maybe he knows a shortcut.
says Klaus. I'll stick with him. Before you can protest, he takes a sharp turn that almost throws you out of your seat. A planet comes into view and a rabbit heads towards it. Klaus follows him obsessively. Shortly before landing, a realization strikes him.
Oh no, please stop, I don't deserve this.
He hits the brakes and tries to make a U-turn, but without success. Is he a wanted criminal on this planet? You're already far too close, and shortly afterwards, you land roughly on the planet.
It's a trap, I should have known, now we're stuck.
Cries Klaus. Oh no. What's going on, you ask, looking anxiously out of the window. It doesn't actually look that dangerous outside.
This planet is called Ramaram.
God, are they going to make us think? No, you can't have the clues.
I can't see them, so...
Well, that's
you know.
awesome. Klaus explains, burying his stubbly face in his hands. He looks completely shattered. What's so bad about Whamaram, Klaus? You ask carefully.
There's a very, very annoying song playing on Ramaram.
Klaus manages to say.
And it's playing on a continuous loop. Something about Christmas. This evil planet cannot harm the rabbit. He likes the song.
Right.
I'm not done yet. You look at... Oh God, please turn the page, there's more. You look out the window and sure enough, some distance away, your competitor has climbed onto the seat of his sleigh and is dancing with his ears swinging wildly to music that you cannot hear due to the soundproof walls of the spaceship. Why don't we just take off again without opening the doors, you suggest?
It doesn't work.
Klaus replies.
We are kept on this planet by a powerful tractor beam. To deactivate it, you need a code, and it has more or less directly to do with this song. The only way to work out the code is to get out and hum along loudly.
The problem is, once you start
We're
humming...
singing, are we?
I hope not.
It's all
Once-
right.
Once you start humming the song, you won't stop for months. It's the nastiest catchy tune of all time.
An
Please.
earworm.
Please turn the page. Klaus desperately hits the dashboard with his palm.
The rabbit knew this would be hell for me. You bet he got me involved in this on purpose, but I won't let it happen to me. Not again.
With that, he takes a pack of broccoli out of the bag, decisively slams the door behind him, and barricades himself in the cockpit. Now it's your turn to hum. Well, at least it's broccoli this time.
Oh, yeah.
Turn the cards so that the notes are visible. Hum Last Christmas syllable by syllable. You don't need the words, you must know the tune. Place them correctly and we'll depart soon. Now open door 16. Behind it you will find 4 strange items, Christmas songs. Wait. Okay, now go. Oh, God.
I can't hear any humming.
That's because
What's
we
in
haven't
there?
started yet. Well, it looks like a light up dance floor. And there's a
Oh, Lord.
snowman. And
You're gonna
snow
dance?
below.
Has
and a
got
microphone on the floor. It looks like Dance Dance Revolution.
And these are numbers, are they not? 2, 8,
Oh yeah, they are numbers.
3. So what's the plan of action?
We have to hum Last Christmas.
it. Why?
Okay, how did that help?
Well,
That was a Wham song, was it?
It was. It was
Yeah.
Last Christmas. Could
Okay.
you not tell by my
George Michael.
wonderful stylings?
Yeah, no, I can just see the video. Yeah, in the snow and all of that.
Okay, the syllables are not in the right order. So it's perforated, so we do have to take it apart. I'm sure that they're all going to make different numbers.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, we're meant to be humming the syllables of the song.
well, get humming. I'm listening.
I have hummed. Once is enough.
Do you think?
Yes,
Oh no, I was nearly right. So that one and that one.
I agree with that.
Oh, we're right.
But we could have done that just by...
Without humming?
Oh yeah, but okay, so change.
But your humming did
It
do it.
helped. Change them around and try a different order and see what numbers you can get. So we could have got the wrong answer.
Okay. It's the quality
It
of
was the
your
quality
singing
of
that
the
did
humming.
it.
Yeah, absolutely. 6, 6.
Is that
2.
what it was?
Oh, absolutely.
Dodgy. Correct.
Lovely.
Is that one a bit easy?
You
Well,
want-
only if you can hum the tune. Oh, Lord.
Dad's looking ahead to Bill tomorrow. So I have sewing club this afternoon, so I've got some prep work to do for that. Dad has very kindly cleaned off the dining room table so that we have space for sewing club.
I have.
Very kind of you.
So, and I will be filing.
You will be filing.
Yes.
And
I'm going to a funeral.
yeah. Well, I was supposed to be going with Mum, but
You
we'd
were.
forgotten that we'd agreed to do sewing club on the 15th as well.
Yeah.
But it's she wanted a happy funeral, didn't she?
She wants
So
a
it's all
happy
colours and
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
So that's the plans for the rest of the day. So I will take you along with me for the little bit that I do, and if they don't mind, I'll get the sewing club to say Merry Vlogmas to you all. I know what I say. Honestly, it's only been 9 years.
Honestly.
Honestly, so yeah, we're gonna go and do all of those things. So
Yes.
thumbnail, smile. You put your hand in front of the
I have to say
puppy.
bye-bye. I get confused.
It's all blending into one. We're fine. We know. Oh, you're still recording. Whoops. Oh well, I'm back for taste test. Hazelnut praline. That is absolutely delicious. Very nice. Right, so I've got some bits and pieces to prep for sewing club this afternoon. It's just finishing off 2 zipper pouches for an NCW and cutting out the long pieces for the shoulder straps. So yeah, lots of bits and pieces to do. We will get there, it will be fine. We are all ready and prepped. So we've got all like the units ready. So there's the cloud slots, the zipper wallet or the zipper pockets. Words are hard. They've made the inside of their flaps and their wrist straps, but they've still got to do the shoulder straps and the body of the purse. So we've got lots of work today.
No, that's totally fine. You want us working, obviously.
Yes, hard at work. Hard at work, please.
I haven't got the full makeup on.
Neither have I, don't worry.
No.
But we are making NCWs and we're so close. There's lots of finished units. So we should get 2 finished NCWs today, theoretically. We have about half an hour left, so we should get it done.
20 minutes later.
We are so close to being finished, but it's all the really important, like, accurate and pretty bits, so I didn't want them to rush. So I'm going to get it finished for them, and then they're going to come back on Thursday to put the rivets in so that they can finish the bags. So close! This is unusual. They don't usually share the chair. I'm not sure Izzy is comfortable, but she's on it.
A few moments later.
She's actually got comfortable. She is in loaf. I think that's Max's tail. I don't think hers is that long. Back up in the office, ready to do the thing that I'm not mentioning that I'm saying every single video, and I completely forgot that I didn't say goodnight to you guys. So it's been a very fun day. I am knackered though. Walking around for 2.5 hours doesn't sound like a lot, but apparently it is. But you know, I have plans and fingers crossed I can start working on the levels of fitness. We shall see. But that is it for Vlogmas day 16? I think it's 16. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be back tomorrow for actual proper filming and a full face of makeup, so that's exciting. I shall see you all then. Bye!